He went to the CEO of his regiment, Pune House Regiment, Colonel Hanuj Singh. He went there and he requested Hanuj Singh, sir, please allow me to send in the bar. Jai Hind to all, and today I will going to share with you a most inspirational, determined, confident soldier of our Indian Army. I am going to share a story of that person, that is Second Lieutenant Arun Khetripal. So Arun was born in Pune in 1950, and at that time his father was posted as an instructor at College of Military Engineering there. So he grew up with his family, and he visited different places, studied in different schools, and but gradually he passed from the Lawrence School, Sanbert, which is in Himachal Pradesh, a school which produces several notable alumni, including former Chief of Naval Staff Vishnu Bhagwat, and Air Chief Marshal Air Marshal A.C. Krapa. So the army blood ran in his veins, because whole generation, his all the family members served in the armed forces. He, coming his grandfather, uh, served in the British Indian Army in the First World War, and his father, who was awarded M.L. Khetrapal, who was awarded by Ati Basis Sena Medal. He was awarded by Ati Basis Sena Medal, and he was a distinguished officer in the Corps of Engineering in the Indian Army. Now, to see his motivation behind the army, I will tell you one thing, that after passing 10th class, he was selected in the IIT. He got 7th rank, but he left the IIT and joined the National Defence Academy. After pass out from the National Defence Academy, he went to Indian Military Academy, and the 4th year he was also passed out from there, and now he was commissioned into 17 Horse Regiment. This regiment is basically for the tanks, basically a tanks regiment, and this regiment once also led by receiver of Paramveer Chakra, Colonel Ardesi Tarapode. Now, here I will tell you the incident here. In the mess, because after the pass out from the IMA, there was also a 6-month particular basic training in the Indian in the army also. So during that training in the mess, Arun saw a portrait of a Ardesi Tarapode in the mess. So वहाँ लिखा था पीवीसी परमवीर चक्र से सम्मानित किया गया है. सो इन द फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल ऑफिसर ही सेड विथ फुल जोश, या आई विल आल्सो डू इट, आई आल्सो अचीव इट, आई विल आल्सो डू समथिंग यूनिक फॉर द नेशन. एंड दैट लाइन्स बिकेम द ट्रूथ. सो I will tell you his determination. He was very confident about him. He was very confident everything. What he was going to tell, he was very confident. And the Khetrapal was a job to operate a battle tanks in the army. And now what was happened, that political tensions between the East Pakistan and West Pakistan, East Pakistan, which is currently also known as Bangladesh. So the political tensions between these two, West Pakistan and East Pakistan, flared when Sheikh Rahman won the elections, because for the very first time Pak army set to have a PM, a Bengali PM, a proposition which is unacceptable for the West Pakistan. So here the war had been started, and I will tell you, before some time of the war, the Arun was in the training, the 6-month training that I recently told you, that is 6-month training in the army. Arun was in that training, so he was not allowed to let the war. He was not allowed to fight in the war, because war is only fight by the experienced person, experienced officers. So he was not allowed, because he was a training process. So he was very sad there. He went to the CEO of his regiment, Pune House Regiment. CEO means commanding officer of the 17 Pune Horse, Colonel Hanuj Singh. He went there and he requested Hanuj Singh, sir, please allow me to send in the bar. Basically, it is out of the rules, but Hanuj Singh allowed him to see his determination, to see his confidence. Hanuj Singh allowed him, and he was very happy at that time. So he was given a basic battle training, and he completed that training. Now he was okay for the fight. And I will tell you here, I will tell you that Pakistan Air Force launched preemptive strikes on northwest border of India. And now here Arun Khetriwal come in the picture. Arun Khetriwal uh, with the rest of 17 horse engaging the Pakistan army near the Basanta River. Basically, this war majorly concentrated on nearby Basanta River. That's why it is also called the Battle of Basanta here. So I will tell you the one of the friend of the Arun Khetripal, that is name is Captain Manhotra, whose gun is not working. There was that time during the war, and he has a order to move come back because gun is not working. He was ordered to move come back, but that time Arun Khetripal said to him, please don't move back, because if you move back, then only two things happen. First thing, Pakistan army think, then Indian army retreat, and second thing happened that our soldiers demotivate also. So please fight whatever you have. So they all fight with full josh, full confidence here, and in the end of Arun Khetripal destroys seven tanks of the Pakistan army continuously. And in the end of the war, in the end of the war, I will tell you one more incident. Here the 17 Pune horse of the Indian army, a regiment of the Indian army, and that side in the Pak army there was a Lancer regiment of the Pakistan army. I will tell you, before independence, these two regiments worked together, but after regiments, so they are fighting against each other. It's a very coincidence here. They are fighting each other. Our tank was led by the Arun Khetriwal, and that tank, Pak tank, was led by the Colonel Naseed Ahmed. And during the war, the tank of Arun Khetripal caught a fire, and he was ordered to come back. I will tell you the last word, but he said to the superior officers of the radio, who had ordered to move to come back. He said, "No, sir, I will not abandon my tank because my main gun is still working, and I will get this bastards here." But unfortunately, the tank catch a fire and tank blast, and he was died in the tank. So that was a major movement there. And I will tell you one more thing, the one more coincidence here. In 2001, the father of Arun Khetripal, ML Khetriwal, went to the Pakistan in Sarogad, where he took birth there. He went there and he was welcomed by a brigadier, Nasir Ahmed. Here I will tell you, the both didn't know that what was happened in the war. They didn't know that what was happened in the war. So what is happened, उसका एम एल खेतरपाल का उन्होंने अच्छा बिल्कुल स्वागत किया, उन्होंने अपने घर में बुलाया, वो घर में गए. सो एम एल खेतरपाल को हैव अ लिटिल डाउट हियर बिकॉज ही वाज वेरी इमोशनल whenever he was talking with him. He was very emotional. So when he came back to India, when he started to came back to India, so the brigadier Nasir Ahmed told him about the incident. He told that we were, sir, sorry sir, I have to say this, but we were soldiers at that during the war, and we were fight for our nations, and sorry sir to say that I regret to tell you have that your son was died in my hands. So that was a very shock moment of ML Khetarpal, but he did not spoke any word. He did not argue with him because he knew he was also in the army. He knew the person who he knew the responsibility of the army person. Why he joined the army? So he didn't spoke there, but he silently moved to there. So this victory came a great for the Indian army, but 17 mission officers, 7 officers, and many other soldiers, including Second Lieutenant Arun Khetripal, laid their death for defending our nations. So I salute them to all, and he was also awarded by posthumously awarded by the Paramvir Chakra. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.